Okay guys, before we start the video, I'm really sorry I forgot to take my microphone, so I only use the whatever my phone got, so it's gonna be a little bit windy. You can hear the wind noise, and I'm sorry about that, but hopefully you guys can go through it and watch the whole video. What's up guys, it's Polish Bullet, and today is the day. I just carry all the freaking tires over here. As you can see on the back, we finally changing them for winter tires. So I'll show you the process more or less. I'm meeting with the guy, his name is Brandon. He got his own mobile car tire change and tire fixes and stuff like that. So he's gonna bring his van and all the tools and everything we need. We'll see how it works. I've never done this before, but it's pretty cool. You can set it up for whatever time you want or whatever location. He always drives to you and everything. So let's see how it works, and yeah, I'll show you how it goes. Okay, he's putting up right now. Okay, he saw me, so yeah. Okay guys, we're here with Brandon. We're gonna change the tires in a sec. Getting ready. Got all the tools in the van. I'll show you that later. It's a pretty cool concept actually. We got our beautiful Hyundai made Brembos. It's so cold today guys, 5 degrees I guess. Kudos to Brandon for doing it for me, seriously. I'm standing here with him, but it's so cold. This is it guys, thread connections, the phone number. His name is Brandon. I'm gonna put it on the screen in a sec, but you can call him. He works all over Chicagoland, so great pricing. He can drive to you, do it probably hour and a half max, and he's done. So pretty cool guy, works fast, decent pricing, so 100%. Okay guys, we all done. Look at that beautiful new thread. Actually look pretty cool. So sorry for shaking my, I'm so cold. It's freaking 25 and windy, so so this is the tire, Nexen Winguard Sport 2. Where's the size on this side, just in case? 225 40 19s. They work perfectly on the stock tires. Good. Man, Brandon did a great job. Seriously. If I didn't borrow him too much, that would be like an hour probably change in this weather. So kudos to him. I really appreciate it. Check him out. There's a phone number and website you guys can check on his van. So you guys probably seen it. What I can tell you, for driving like 100 feet, these are tires catching the freaking rocks even more than PS4s. Look at this. That's crazy. Okay guys, so first impressions on new tires, and they actually, I'm surprised how the car drives like way differently. Like seriously, it's quiet right now. You don't hear the noise of tires for some reason. and the steering it feels like too light even, because you know those are 225s instead of 245s, but it feels light, like the car is like totally different car. Like seriously. And it's quiet. Like actually I think I'm getting old, seriously, because I like it. I'm not gonna lie. So obviously we're gonna make a more comprehensive test in the winter and everything, but those are Nexen Winguard Sport 2 tires. You know, they are obviously more on the budget side, because the whole set cost me $540, so nothing crazy comparing to Michelin's and other brands, but so it's cheap. But I'm surprised, like seriously, quiet, lighter steering, like it's really nice, actually really nice. So one more time, thank you Brandon from Thread Connections. I'm gonna, you know, you saw the van and everything. I'm still gonna put it down on the screen, you know, the website and everything. Really cool guy, good prices, hard worker. He did it really fast. If I didn't bother him, I'm pretty sure it will take like an hour or so. So we just talk a lot and stuff like that. So thank you Brandon one more time. And yeah guys, waiting for the snow to finally test my tires. So yeah, and see you in the next one. See you.